GoHighLevel domains. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about GoHighLevel and how you're going to be using its domain softwares for yourself. So let's head right into it by talking about GoHighLevel and how you can actually get their domains. Now, in the ever evolving world of digital marketing, GoHighLevel rises as more than just a tool for you. It's a platform built for those who want control, scale, and simplicity. It's generally designed primarily for agencies, freelancers, and a lot of other solopreneurs and marketers who are tired of juggling 5, 10, and sometimes 15 different tools just to keep their business running. Now, GoHighLevel consolidates CRM systems, funnel builders, email and SMS automation, reputation management, scheduling apps, and more into one seamless platform. But what truly makes it powerful is not just the toolkit it offers, but how it allows you to own the actual experience you're working off of. So, from the first impression to your final click, High Level helps you build a system that feels like yours, not someone else's software. Now, to talk about how Go High Level actually works, at the heart of Go High Level lies simplicity with depth. You basically go over to Go High Level and you log into the app. Now, when it comes to the login process, it's pretty simple and straightforward. So, you can go over here to their 14-day free trial and get registered for yourself. Okay. And I'll be going into the other pricings that it gives you other than the trial later on. Now, once you have logged into their app, what happens from there is you get a great repertoire of tools. You find an interface that brings all the moving parts of your business into one place. You can build a funnel with ease, automate an entire lead nurturing sequence, track conversations, and see folks' clients via text or email. You can also manage reviews and even record calls that you have. Now, it doesn't stop at functionality over there. It gives you the ability to white label. So that basically means you can offer all of this to your clients under your own brand, as if you build the platform yourself. The control that it offers you isn't just skin deep, it's actually structural. Now, even on their main page, you can see you can build the digital marketing engine, capture different leads, nurture those messages, and close, where you can use their built in tools to collect payments, schedule appointments, and track different types of analytics. As we move down, we can capture new leads, where you can get a full suite platform for marketers. Included in the platform are full featured page builders and a lot of other things to capture leads. You can also create full websites, funnels, and landing pages for yourself with their intuitive platform, which allows you to create full featured websites with custom menus. You can create high performing and captivating landing pages all in one place, get different types of drag and drop surveys and forms, and build right in this ability to capture leads through surveys and different types of forms. You can also get online appointment scheduling, which is a major step for most businesses. That would be good for you. And then obviously nurture your leads into the customers, fully automate your booking, create different types of membership areas, grow your business with the different tools, get white label platforms, and a whole lot more. Now, to talk about Go High Level's domain workings, because that's what we're really here for. Let's dive into the art of domains with Go High Level. Now, this isn't just about web addresses, it's about an actual identity. And you can even go over to High Level Support Portal where they teach you how you can even connect your very own domain. Now, when it comes to connecting a domain with Go High Level, a domain in High Level acts like a digital signature for you that you can actually use for yourself, whether you're creating a landing page, a set list, a proper email setup with automation, or giving your client a login portal. Your domain is the foundation it all stands on. Now, you can connect your very own custom domain to host funnels like websites and forums. Instead of using the default hl.pages.com, you might use www. Whatever your agency name is.com, or even create a unique subdomain for yourself. Now, this gives your brand a more clean and fresh look. Now, when it comes to actually setting up a domain, here's what you're going to have to do. What you're going to do is you're going to first of all set up a DNS. So add a record or a CNAME, okay? So if you have a cPanel for your domain handler, you can add a record and CNAME pretty easily. You add basic instructions that they give you right over here. And these are different instructions for your different domain providers. Then you have A records as well, where you can add an A record for your root domain or subdomain for work along. Then as you go down, you can add a domain or subdomain to your sub account where you can go to settings in the left navigation center. Go over there, go to your domains, add your extensions, and obviously migrate domains however you want by adding the C name, A name, and records. It's that simple. Now, when it comes to adding a domain and its features, you also get white labeling with domains. Now, the things get truly powerful there in the white labeling experience. Now, GoHighLevel allows you to completely rebrand the platform for your clients. That means you can set up a custom login URL, something like app.yourbrand.com, and your clients will never see the same high level anywhere. The dashboard, the emails, the support links, all of it can carry your logo, your color scheme, and your domains. It's not just personalization, it's platform ownership. And for agencies looking to scale, this changes the game. You go from service provider to full on SaaS company overnight. Now, you can also use their domains for basic works in your email, like your basic emailing and communication, where sending campaigns, deliverability, and a whole lot of other things that actually matter in business go along. Then you can also move to creative ways where you can actually use your domain differently when it comes to high level. So one of the most beautiful aspects of high level's domains system is you can create creative. So you might set your eyes on a funnel of your domain. You can get a booking calendar at your domain with meet.yourdomain.com, a client login portal, or an individual branded subdomain for each and every client that you have. So the ability to customize at this level gives you flexibility, control, and a polished client experience. You're no longer duct taping services together, you're offering a complete branded ecosystem for yourself. So, finally, let's go ahead and talk about the pros and cons of using Go High Level domains. And when it comes to the pros, the advantages are immense. First and foremost, you gain full control of the center or the place you are working with or working for. Your funnels, websites, and emails all live under your domain, not some third parties. That builds trust, it looks professional, and it elevates your perception. You also gain white label power, letting you create your own SaaS experience. Your clients log into your platform, not high level. That deepens loyalty and justifies premium pricing. And when it comes to performance, authenticated domains mean better email deliverability and reduced friction in lead generation. You're taken seriously by inboxes, by clients, and a lot of other prospects. And when it comes to the cons, every system does have its shadows. Now, setting up domains in Go High Level requires working with DNS, okay, which is something not every beginner is comfortable with. You'll be going ahead and, editing CNAME records, adding TXT entries, and verifying configurations. Now, it's not hard, because I told you you're going to have to configure all these CNAME records and all. It's again not a hard thing if you're working with domains and you've worked with a cPanel, but it does require a willingness to learn. You also need to purchase and manage your domains outside of Go High Level from registrars like GoDaddy or Namecheap, which means keeping track of renewals and records. SSL certificates are handed automatically for the most part, but if you misconfigure something, your site may temporarily not show up as not secure. So, regarding all these things, to give you a final verdict, I'd say in the end, Go High Level is not just a tool. It's an ecosystem that handles or hands you the blueprint to build your own digital empire and domains, obviously. They are your flag planted in the soil, your mark of ownership. When you connect your domain to this platform, you're not just launching funnels or automating workflows. You're stepping into a role of leadership, of brand stewardship. So with a Go High Level, your domains become more than a link. It becomes a gateway into your world, your systems, your experience. So if you're ready to go beyond building services and start building a brand that feels like software, like legacy, then Go High Level is definitely your domain system. That might just be your next big move. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.